Carla Estrada hindi pumayag na iwan ng anak niya si Catherine Bernardo para kay Jasmine Curtis dahil sa isang rason. Alamin kung bakit. Halina't panoorin natin ang buong detalye. Noong lumabas nga ang audio ni Daniel Padilla tungkol sa pagsasabi niya ng nararamdaman kay Jasmine ay sobrang nag-viral na. Ngayon nga nahiwalay na ang Katniel, lumitaw na ang tunay na dahilan kung bakit nambabae si Daniel Padilla ngayon ng paulit-ulit. Ayon nga sa source ni Alex Brosas, nagpaalam daw si Daniel sa kanyang nanay na si Carla Estrada 2014 pa lang nahiwalayan niya na si Catherine dahil mas mahal niya na si Jasmine Curtis, pero hindi pumayag ang nanay niya dahil na mawawala ng milyon-milyon. Ito ay ayon sa article na isinulat ni Alex Brosas. As early as 2014, Daniel Padilla's love for Catherine Bernardo had already gone kaput as he planned to pursue his co-star in Bonifacio, ang unang Pangulo, Jasmine Curtis Smith. This was disclosed to us by an impeachable source, saying that Padilla was so enamored with Curtis Smith that he wanted to break up with Bernardo during that time. Padilla was said to have expressed his change so far to his mom, Carla Estrada, who instantly objected to her son's plan. Estrada supposedly explained to Padilla that he would lose a lot as most of their endorsement had them as a couple. Those millions in endorsements would be gone if they broke up. Padilla, in a controversial 2014 audio recording, could be heard expressing his giddiness when Curtis Smith texted him. The audio had Padilla talking about Sam, believed to be Sam Concepcion, Curtis Smith's boyfriend at that time. Padilla was man enough to admit it was him in the controversial audio recording and that he was ready for his seni-migas.